Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the gas station pump attendant who was arrested and charged for setting a woman ablaze has been granted bail.
Khalid Swaby made her first appearance before the Whithorn court earlier today.
Kimberly Petty was there and filed this report.
It was a celebratory mood outside the Whithorn courthouse today as Khalid Swaby, the pump attendant who was arrested and charged for setting a woman ablaze, was granted bail. Khalid Swaby, the pump attendant, was offered bail in the sum of $350,000. She was seen exiting this police service vehicle just outside the Whithorn courthouse in Westmoreland on Thursday. Many looked on from the sidelines in the case that had social media in a frenzy. Inside the courtroom, clad in full black, with a band-aid over her left cheek, Swaby stood as her attorney Shane Walker made his case. Mr. Walker detailed to Parish Court Judge Carson Hewitt that his client was attacked by two women at her workplace and that the women had been targeting Swaby for weeks. He said the incident stemmed from a prior encounter after the hurricane when the burnt victim skipped the line at the gas station and demanded to be served. However, he said his client insisted that she had to wait her turn. Mr. Walker then went on to make his bail application. In submitting his bail application, Mr. Shane Walker, Swaby's attorney, says it's a clear case of self-defense.
So my client has been offered bail. That's very important. So now she can go home to her relatives, right? So the matter is still before the court. So we can't say much publicly. Just to say that she is relying on self-defense as has been highlighted. And we are awaiting her next court date. So we have another court date. She has been offered bail now. She can go home to her relatives, get some rest. And we will be back in court in April.
Allegations are that on February 19, 2026, Dacia Forrester went to the Fesso gas station to confront the accused when a dispute ensued. Things got heated and the women began to fight. During the physical altercation, Swaby sustained bruises to her face and eyes. She then poured gasoline on Miss Forrester and used a lighter to set her on fire. The victim sustained burns to 50% of her body and is still hospitalized. The pump attendant is set to return to court on April 16. In the meantime, the judge imposed conditions to Swaby's bail. She's not to be seen in the Whithorn area where she lives and where the incident happened unless needs be. She is to report to the Negril police station at least twice per week, and she was ordered to surrender her travel documents. Reporting from Whithorn Courthouse, I'm Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.